MRM Showroom. Onyari kwa kwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika. Ayo uchani warrant na wigo. Ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores. Yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex. Imeyumu chuligo busongo. Iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo. Ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers. Iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange. Bakere simgwetera seti namba chapa. 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Wewe nende umwancho muligere karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa chabona muragoba tunyara gusanga na bwo kumanya naralia bereka okorekana kubwa muno ase wizara eri chisemi eri yobolendi na bwigo Chinsa mo chinde na bwigo na ase amangana asiasa nchinkuru ko Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke kurwase ebimanyerero na umugaso orero mwancho muligereria nigo bono umuwaziri w'echisemi umuske Julius Migoso Gamba anyari kwenekia na bwigo kora umuyiga oyo banyara okora ukuigwana nebyombe bitenene taborokibwa bechi university che serikali aiga ase NC ya Kenya bakubwaterana noyo teneta mangana higher education omosubati Dr. Beatrice Muganda inyangala na boigo nebyombe ebyo byaborokia bechi university nigo bono banyarire gukora umugiro kose banyarire kokora ukuigwana ne serikali na boigo korige chinjera kirachokonekya bakwanire chinjera cyo chokonekya buna bakanire aborokia bechi university chibesa chionsi nekero bono banyarire gukwanira chinjera chibese cyo kirachikobwato kwa ase inchira ere eyobo toero gose oburaburu ende yonse tarikonekiwa na kubwa mono nekero bono banyare gukora umugiro bwo matuko 90 na 49. Na boigo mwaziri umuschedule sogamba nigo anyara ukwandara amatemu anemono ikirasi ge 12 ali agenderete nekiro bono anyara kwera buna no nyari yekirasi gya kianda na boigo kya gatano narimo abiri gakwera nigo aherire asinchira yobutorero na boigo niganyara kwerera egatiemero berio serikali ebegetere konekibuna aborokiwo bonsi bali bagenderete na amatemu gose bali bakoreme yensi ya Kenya bagendete gutwara oborendi boisaine ekiro amatemu ayo ara goika ekiro amatemu ayo arachikoera.
As part of the transition to senior school in 2026, we have today released the guidelines for the implementation of senior school education. These guidelines will strengthen institutional readiness, assist teachers, parents, and learners, and other stakeholders in education to adjust to the new curricular requirements. This will also ensure that the schools are well prepared to receive the first CPE cohort progressing into grade 10 next year. Now the schools are not categorized. The schools that are undertaking 3 pathways have been moved to the category 1, so to speak, C1. C2, the schools that will be doing 2 pathways, and the boarding schools, because a boarding school is the same, I mean, the boarding facility is the same whether it is in a C2 school or a C1 school. That's why we rationalize that fees to be 53,000. But as again said, we've released those deadlines today. We're analyzing them, receiving some comments, and then we'll be able to give you further guidance and further information this hour. The Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education examinations are ongoing nationwide. These examinations mark an important step in their lives as we prepare for university education, vocational training, entrepreneurship, and future careers. While the vast majority of Kenyans have shown exemplary cooperation, it is regrettable that a few individuals have attempted to engage in examination malpractice despite repeated warnings. The government has already taken firm action against those involved, and these measures should serve as a strong deterrent to anyone contemplating to undertake similar misconduct. We will not allow any attempt to sabotage the future of our children or the global reputation of our national certification system. The multi-agency security team remains fully deployed across the country to safeguard examination materials and ensure accountability at all levels. We are mindful that parts of the country continue to face severe weather challenges, including flooding, landslides, and impassable road networks. Together with the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, county governments, and disaster response agencies, we have activated alternative transportation routes, established temporary collection.
Gutigana anayo kurasi wizara ya chisemi uyu kabere umu manager umukuru ase abisi y'umuwakilishi wa Baswati ime kaunti ya Kisii Doris Donyatoto umanyekana tabuna Justin Siocha ni gobono anyarete koba ga kwengerwa na boigo gutigirwa chingoma n'abantu batamanyiri Chinsa cy'amargo bali tukora igoro ase chinsemo cya Botoria ange na bosongo ekirobono arenge kurwa ase ose ekiro arenge kurwa etaro kale ene family yae kahukwana na nomoriketo ogutaiga asigeta sinekiga nigubono anyare kwerabuna nigo anyarete kwengerwa korende tacheti kumanya abo banyarete kumwengira se nchira abuneyo.
Samarita nguru ku Justin Siocha ndo mumenyu Kisii County nguru ase constituency usene obunge yabo basi asedi tukoli gorona arenga sensemo ya musocho asena arenge no murugio na no mwana Chinsa chiarenge nse yemone chiteke 30 Chinsa ichigana liko nyara tuwa chakire sabali yo wocha bosongo elinde togende nyumba ekaro tuyetanire skuru ya secondary ya Cardinal Tunga egarie yemoya chitendabwe Toyota Fielder naroche nambeli kire KDM egache karukuru ase riko ligetige gaswapara ekaliba egatoli bikurubosyo kabeke break nchenga yetani ngagenderera nande kanminyoki kurumaega ikangikera karatwikira se chiro enene ya nyakoe nawu nande yachite kangitani musubosyo buyane nande kandiba bono inche asebirengere biane nkairanga no muntu mebioro omolebi gese no muntu okwegera kogendie gari riringo tirimbo kane etandi na isire weka Botorie bypass ye gasi chipara chirosirie ya kwanda sune kane yego cha bosongo ne ya kwanda musocho lito wetainse gari yege kumnyoka nande gego cha gekondi bibosyo ekaro yandi bibosyo bono eyelibe para yonsi yo gutira nechi pigipigi ibere nchiacha chiatene na maega yane chitabwati passengers lakini chibwate abagendi boka babegete chi helmet dirinda tekuira ni maega na akiri oliya ni tata itigusuka nalio ngo yuwa kuru murangu one dirisha yana ase ngogendie gari ngegwa kubunapa ase gekeke ngaira labda ne epigipigi yantu omire buna tuatene nane break emergency akega na lingo rumungwa no yomo bwisibete getambao busyo obege osogetia maisoko obegete ne kobi ucharukire kuri pigipigi uchakire ko Kenya kerore kera sense mo yana sendinete pigipigi sendinete kurwa se driver agakeme emiore 3 oyokane nalio ochete kongikero koboko gaigo kambutora sana na ndebono liringo chiguonchuka gochimwino ngorara bono goja somorugia na lingo nyona nde miore nde berega iga no yonde mayaga gaiga no yonde iguruga bono Chinsa ichiga nalina chite korengera linga tigambugi oni yane mone linde batabana ne batame karo nabugi oni mono bono lingo chikubwate steering ekoro koboko kubuna gwa kirukwa ekwa ganda nete bono nari kunyara kuimoki ngo chikubwata ega steering no koboko ko naliye omoro nando ete to kambutore gechari gekaru enusu nalina agende tie gari ngo yanda ngo yonchora ngo anda bakenya gitari ya bosongo no banduseti bakambeka se nyumba ya emergency naona sibetu nga ku x-ray nga be kutieta nga sonwa nga yagwa mariogo wana buna narua nyagitari na
umwaziri woborende boime omusiki Kipchumba Murkomen nigo bono anyarire kwera buna obotoire rumbole ime yense ya Kenya kurende asense moyende nigo atebire nonya ababegu gusabasaria bake nigo bachakire gwesonania agwikirania ebikoro byabo ebyo bitari bironge ase gutumika sector ya bodaboda nekero bono ariko yakwa naega obosio bwe bunge ye senate omugasorero nabo igokorera buna naki oborende bo genderete okoria kose ensemo yo nakigendete okoria aiga asense ya Kenya.
The country is calm, peaceful and stable. Over the past 7 months, however, we have faced sporadic issues of infiltration of peaceful demonstrations, banditry, land disputes and resource conflicts. We have also faced service delivery challenges attributable to budgetary shortfalls. The prevalence of these challenges in the wider society are reflected by the questions the honorable senators have been seeking clarification in the past few months. One of the security issues that has captured the attention of the public lately is the violence perpetrated by border or through border operators, especially torching of vehicles in road traffic accidents. This is the very issue that has been raised by Senator of Tharaka Nithi and Senator Mwenda Kataya. Mr. Speaker, as you may be aware, we have just returned from our 47 counties tour under the Jukwaa la Usalama banner, where we engage members of the public and security stakeholders on security issues and service delivery challenges at the grassroots. The forum revealed concerns that criminal elements have infiltrated the border sector across the country. It's a complaint in almost every county, Mr. Speaker. The issue is particularly prevalent in Western, Nyanza and Nairobi counties. The border sector remains a vital pillar of Kenya's transport economy, providing employment and livelihood for thousands of youths nationwide. However, its rapid growth with minimal regulation has led to disorder, lawlessness and rising insecurity associated with unregistered and unidentified riders.
Nase oroboti oro manju morgire na to korere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono omuragoba korinde ayona yanda mange nyora sinchira engikire bwakuraga Chinsa ibere navoigo Chinsa inye changoro ko Matildah Obaigwa na veni nyaboke kuro asebi manyerere kuro studio ya kabere nere Kevin Ongeri mbia mona sana twara oboligerero bya asomorobelyo kubwatyo morobelyo rachikoba oyo ubwekerora no rachikole twasore nere makopio navoigo onkorgo kebacha.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati enda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasaje kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase babwate showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate dumurang ayuari aye chigech emeronge tato asama bati alia aye chigech emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na wigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.